Case for iPhone 9 reveals an interesting feature. iPhone 9 smartphone supply plan failed. In American online stores and in particular with a major retailer Best Buy, purchases of protective cases for iPhone 9 have begun. The first photo sheds new light on some details of the back panel. iPhone 9 All insiders call the reincarnation of the iPhone 8 with a 4.7-inch display. The case indicates that the camera module will be rounded and protection will be required for one sensor and most likely an LED flash next to it. There is also information that retailers should not sell covers until April 5th. In other words, the iPhone 9 launch conference may take place next week. According to previous news, the iPhone 9 is an inexpensive iPhone that many users have been waiting for a long time. They say that it will cost from $399. The design is similar to the iPhone 8, and the technical stuffing is more like the iPhone 11. They predict the installation of the latest A13 processor and 3 GB of RAM, as well as saving the Touch ID fingerprint scanner.